Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yashasvi Sangvi, the owner of Anu Art and Craft Studio in Indore. So as you all know, masks have become the most important part of our life. So I am going to convert this white mask into a beautiful one. So let's move into the video.
So now let's talk about the materials. You will require a yellow sponge, some plain mask, glossy varnish, a stencil and a stencil brush, chalk paints by iCraft. I am using the 3 shades as you can see in the video, a bowl of water, some normal sponge dabbers and the transfer sheets by iCraft. Just take one mask and the transfer sheet of your choice. I am taking this design. Now I will be going to cut some elements from the transfer sheet. You do not have to really fuzzy cut the element, just a rough cutting will work. Now once you are done with the cutting of the element, just remove the foil, place the transfer sheet and dab with the yellow sponge using water. You just have to slide the transfer sheet to get the print on the mask. Make sure while using the transfer sheet, the transfer is ready to slide. I am taking another sheet, cutting another element and I will be making another mask. The designing of mask totally depends upon your choice. Make sure you put a lot of water to make your transfers work well. Now I am taking all the 3 shades, the purple, pink and white, and I will just blend the background to give the mask a complete look. Make sure when you apply the color, there is no water in your colors. Now it depends which color you want more. If you want more of purple, you can blend purple with white. If you want more of pink, you can blend pink with white. Make sure that you cover the mask entirely. As you can see, I am doing a very rough shading. Now you have to cover the other side of the mask as well. Make sure that you choose light colors because we are going to do the stenciling on it. I have taken the other mask and I am going to finish it off. Now I will put some elements on the colored part also. So this designing is so easy that even your kids can do it. It is very exciting to work with transfer sheets. As you can see, there are endless possibilities with it. Now in case you feel problem with sliding, you can just peel it off. But be very careful while peeling that you don't spoil the print. Now dry the mask completely first. I am taking a random stencil. This stencil is from iCraft and I will just take the solid color and I will give random stenciling over the mask. As you can see, the stenciling is changing the look completely. I am just loving it. Now on the second part also, I am going to cover that part with the random stenciling all over. Again, the choice of colors is totally yours. Wasn't that really quick? We are done with the mask 1. Now coming to the second mask, I am repeating the same process as we did. Tada! The second mask is also ready. Now I am going to dry the mask completely before we varnish them. Now I am taking the iCraft Glossy Varnish and I will be giving a good coat on my mask. Just take some varnish in your sponge dauber and you just have to completely dab on the mask. Now you all must be wondering, can we wash these masks? Yes, you can definitely wash the mask. You have to give 2 to 3 nice coats of varnish on your mask, and after that you can give a mild wash to your mask. Now you can see I am applying the varnish all over. Make sure that every part is covered with varnish nicely if you want to wash it. Now dry the mask completely before it is ready to use. Our masks are ready. Aren't they beautiful? I am just loving both of them.
Here is the outcome of the mask day. I hope you enjoyed making these with me. For more videos, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Details are in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.